Good evening, good evening, good evening, good evening, Benv FS family, Benv FS lovers. You understand? You guys don't know why I call you guys family because see, there's a reason why I call you guys family. You understand? So you are highly, highly welcome. We are all one. You understand? We are all one family gathering together one place to create a community. So today we are going to do a top-down analysis, weekly top-down analysis. And you guys know how we do our weekly top-down analysis. We do it from the higher time frame down to the lower time frame. Either you are watching the video live or you are watching after the live video. You understand? Make sure you watch the video from the beginning to the end. This particular video is not going to be long because it's a video that's supposed to do since morning. You understand? But when I started that video in the morning, they took their light, NEPA carry light, so there's no any chance for me to there's no means for me to do that particular to continue. So I just end the video like that. If you check my last stream, you'll see that yes, there is a video I do. There is a last video, there's a live video I do. You understand? So I come now to complete the top down analysis. That time immediately we were about to go into top-down analysis. They took their light, and there's nothing I have to do. There's nothing I can do, except maybe if I want to come into that particular mess is to just get solar. You understand? That can be powering everything that I'm using, but I'm still working towards that. So please drop your comments on the comment section, searching waiting for your comments. You understand? So without wasting much of your time, I'm going into top down analysis because this particular video is not going to be long. I want to do a thorough top down analysis. You understand? A thoroughly top down analysis to get ourselves prepared for next week, for this particular week that we are in. You get, because market is going to open this week, this night, so we have to do a top down analysis to sharpen our brain so that we'll know what exactly the market is going to do. You understand? By God grace, our eye is going to open to a lot of things. You get, so let's dive into the analysis. I think I've opened, trying to open my trading view. So let it open, let it open, let it open. Please don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Please like this particular video and that red heart button by the side of your phone. Please keep tapping it for me so that the video will reach more people, because there are a lot of people who might need this particular top down analysis, but the video will not reach them if you do not like it. You understand? So please like the video so that it will reach more people. If that is the only help that you can give to this particular channel to grow, then I'll be very, very happy. Thank you so much as you do that. Yep. Okay, so I've opened my trading view. Let me go into sharing screen. I'm going to share my screen real quick so that okay, this is it here. Yeah, I'm going to share my screen real quick. I've shared the screen already. Let me know. Okay, add. So please, can you tell me if you are seeing the screen clean and clear? If you can see the screen clean and clear, then just let me know on the comment section real quick. If you can see the screen clean and clear, let me know. All right, who's this? I cannot pronounce this your name, my bro. You're highly welcome. Your presence is filled, man. Okay, means you can see it very well. That's very good. Debbie. You're highly welcome. Okay, this is it here. We're going to do a thoroughly top-down analysis. You understand? Weekly top-down analysis. That's exactly what we're going to do today. I will schedule this particular live video Sunday, Monday, Wednesday, Friday, then Sunday. That's 4 times in a week. That's when I do my live video. So I'm going into this particular top-down analysis now. Which asset is this? Okay, this is JPUSD, but I've not done the top-down analysis. I'm just opening it now. It's just the open, it's just opening. So this is it here. This is it here. If you look closely, this is JPUSD here. You understand? This is JPUSD, and this is the market is this is daily time frame candlestick. You understand? On the daily time frame, before you know, how to do your weekly top down analysis is you like go to the higher time frame. You understand? When you go to the higher time frame, like go to the weekly time frame to see the overall direction of the market. When you see the overall direction of the market from the higher time frame, then you come down to the lower time frame. Then from the lower time frame, you do from the weekly time frame down to the daily time frame, from the daily time frame down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, you mark your support and resistance level, because 4 hour time frame support and resistance level is very, very strong. So you mark your support and resistance level. Either you are a swing trader, you can take your trade from support for 4 hour time frame support level. Either you are a day trader, you can take your trade from a support 4 hours time frame support level. Either you are a scalper, you can take your trade from a 4 hour time frame support level. So 4 hour time frame is where we are going to mark our support and resistance level. Then we'll be like waiting for our strategy to play out on the 4 hour time frame. Then we'll enter for a buy or a sell. So we are going to do the top down analysis from the higher time frame, you understand, down to the lower time frame. So now I'm going into this thing. Let me go to weekly time frame. Let me, so that we'll see the overall trend of the market. Okay, what exactly are you seeing on the weekly time frame? Who can tell me the name of this particular candlestick? Who among you guys can tell me the name of this particular candlestick? This is just pure raw teaching. Not that I'll just come and just say exactly what I want and just leave you guys like that. No, who can mention this particular, what is the name of this particular candlestick on the weekly time frame? Who can tell me the name of the time frame? Like, who can tell me the name of the candlestick? Real quick, real quick, real quick. Who can tell me the name of this particular candlestick on the weekly time frame? This is pure teaching, you understand? If it's just to come and show my, do just normal top down analysis, I will just go ahead and just continue doing my thing. But I want you guys to like understand, and I want to like asking question, you understand, to see what like you guys know, you understand. But since I cannot get any question so far, let me just go ahead and do the top down analysis, you understand. So I'm going to mention the name of the candlestick for you guys. If you see that particular, this type of candlestick on your chart, whenever you see this type of candlestick on your chart, this is what they call bullish engulfing candle. And this bullish engulfing candle on on JPUSD happen from this particular support level. You understand? I've been making video concerning this particular support level that the market tap on. Mm. I've been making video concerning this particular support level that the market tap on since last week. Except if you are somebody who is not like been constantly watching my live video, you get. So this is the support level the market tap on before we are seeing this particular bullish engulfing candle. You understand? This is bullish engulfing candle on the weekly time frame. And whenever you see a bullish engulfing candle from its support, a major support level, means the market is taking an opposite direction of the previous trend. And what is the previous trend of this particular pair? Is in a downtrend. You understand? The market make a double bottom, a double top, almost a double top here, then started going to the downside. Then it comes to this particular major support level and give us this bullish engulfing candle. And whenever you see a bullish engulfing candle from a support level, means the market is going to the upside. You understand? So that is how it always happen. Okay, on this particular area, this is a support level. This is an inner support level. This is an inner support level. This is an inner support level. And as the market come to this particular inner support level, what exactly do you see before the market go to the upside? Is a bullish engulfing candle. As the market come to this particular support level, what exactly candlestick do you see before the market go to the upside? Is a bullish engulfing candle. So now like this, we have seen another bullish engulfing candle from a support level on JPUSD. So this next week that we are about to enter, the next week is going to close bullish. Take it from me. You understand? Take it from me, because the higher the time frame, the stronger the candlestick. Do you get? The higher the time frame, the stronger the candlestick. I don't know if you guys are understanding me. See, the reason why you see that analytics they show 1% in make it to the profitable phase in this particular industry is because of how unserious our traders is. You understand? A lot of traders are so very very, very arrogant that they think they have know everything by themselves. So whatever you are teaching, they'll think they have know it all, of which is not like that. You understand? Of which is not like that. Where you get the real knowledge for free, you will not go to that particular place. But where you get a trash for money, that is where they rush to. You understand? But me this year, exactly, I'm just here. You get, I'm just here teaching everything for free. Do top down analysis, come to live video 4 times in a week with my community, with my lovely people. You understand? Share my idea. You understand? Because if you have been following my video, if you have been seeing my video, this is the 16th week. The last week that just passed is the 16th week that I earned in profit. You understand? And I show everything on my video. So I've experienced a lot of things in this particular market. I can do a top-down analysis, a technical analysis, and even psychological analysis. You understand? There is no any type of analysis. If I come on my chart and I see the chart within 2 minutes, I know what to do immediately, and I know what exactly to do. You understand? So me sharing this particular knowledge with you guys for free is not that I don't know what exactly I'm doing. I'm the one gone that I want to give to the community. You understand? Because you cannot monetize everything. It's not everything that you're supposed to monetize. Even if you monetize your teaching or your anything, you have to give it out for free first before you even monetize it. You understand? But some people come immediately and monetize. They don't even know what exactly they are doing, but they monetize it immediately. Can they even be boldly show their monthly 3 month history? Can they show their can they boldly show their last month history? No. Just if they can make a profit in a day, all they do is to create a course and be selling course for you guys 200,000, 300,000, of which that is what you guys need. You understand? The person who will take his time to teach you guys for free, teach you how to do your top down analysis and everything for free, you guys will take that person for granted, and it's not fair. You understand? Even if I tell you to please like the video now to like let it reach more people, you won't like it. You understand? And I'm teaching this particular thing that they are selling for you for thousands of dollars in for free. UD, oh my God, you come very, very early. You understand? You come very, very early. You're highly welcome, my brother. You're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. You're highly welcome. I cite you, and your presence is filled, my brother. Immediately your presence is filled, and my energy skyrockets now immediately. You understand? My energy skyrockets now immediately. Even if it's only you now that I have here, I can boldly do my top down analysis. And I'm not here to like delay today. I'm not going to spend more than 1 hour today. You understand? But the value I'm going to give, please, I want the little of you guys that will listen to me to like listen very, very attentively, please, so that we all get value from this particular thing. True. Immediately I see you, ba. If I see taste of mystery here now like this, means my people have complete. You understand? If I say see taste of mystery here like this now like this, my people have complete, means I'm good to go. And time will come back. I'll just be doing, I'll ask you and taste of mystery, you understand, to like tell me when you guys will be having chance. Then I'll just be having secret meeting with you guys on YouTube. Yeah, simple as that. I don't need crowd. The value I have is too much, like to be begging people to like my video. The value I have, I know with time, the value that I'm giving will speak for me. You understand? So I don't mind having just one person and be giving that value. Time will come that their eyes will open, you understand, and they will be looking for this particular value, and by then everything will be monetized. Having one-on-one with you will be monetized. Showing you anything on the chat will be monetized. You understand? So having you and Taste of Mystery alone on my channel, I'm very, very, very completed. You understand? You guys are the only people, I swear to God Almighty, I swear to God, you guys are the only people that I value on this particular channel. You understand? Because I will take my time. Somebody, I swear to God, person that don't even know anything on this particular industry, that just starts criticizing other people that are selling course, because he can make $20 on top $100 that he deposited. He monetizes this thing, selling courses for 200,000 naira, and of which that person doesn't even know, don't even know what exactly is doing on the chart. Then me, I'll be here wasting my time for people who don't value it. For waiting, for waiting, for what exactly? For what? I have a track record, and I always tell you guys that if you want to see my track record, tell me, BenVFS, drop your WhatsApp number. I want to see your track record. I will drop my track record for you. And any of my video that I post, I drop my track record. And somebody that just make $20 on top $100 will be selling course for 200,000 naira. And me, I'm here giving value for free, and people are taking it for granted. People are taking it for granted. If I say like the video so that it will reach more people, they will not like. I see, I do not blame people. I have not blamed all those mentors, fake mentors selling courses for traders. You understand? Because if you see the way they treat people that give knowledge for free, you like to monetize everything. Anybody that charge you, charge the person before you have one-on-one common talk, conversation with the person. You understand? Because you that is trying to give value to the community, they will not even value you. I swear to God, my bro. I swear to God. And that is how the industry just be. And that's how it keeps spoiling and spoiling and spoiling. Them, like these viewers, people that is looking for this particular free knowledge, make people to like monetize everything on this particular plan, on this particular industry. Why? Because what people need from them, for them to be giving this free advice, free knowledge all the time, these people that is watching you will not even listen to you because it's a free knowledge. And people who are selling their course for 200,000, 500,000, they don't even have any common experience on the chart. You understand? And they will be rushing that person because they think selling courses means anybody who can sell courses is the person that knows what he's doing on the chart, my bro. I swear to God, if I have you, see, I have 9 people watching me now. If I have only, okay, it's 6 people now. If I have only you, UD, and Taste of Mystery on my channel, I'm completely, like, I'm totally complete, and I can go ahead and do anything I want. People take next year 2026, I just pray, may God just guide us. I swear to God, if you reach out to me, say, BenVFS, what is this? I'll tell you this is the amount it will be before I will give you that thing I'm going to monetize everything. I even think I will extend it because of the love from just these 2 people, but common like video so that it will reach more other people, because the knowledge I'm giving here, you cannot get it any other place. They cannot like it, they cannot comment, they cannot like, they will just come and watch and go. You understand? So monetizing it now will be the best. Do you think I cannot have, I don't have all this, just record my video, take my trade, record it, take my trade, record it, and just post without giving any knowledge, and it will be selling. Somebody like, I don't want to make name, but I don't want to call any name, but people did that is just recording the trade that they take, and people flooded their channel. You understand? But me, I have a good heart, and I say, let me give this particular knowledge for free. You understand? At least to like shape some people's mindset, and they are taking it for granted, my brother. It's not fair. It's not fair. It's not fair. I'm not here for crowd. You understand? I'm not here for crowd. 100%, baby. You give so much nugget for free. May God bless you for all you do. Thank you so much, my brother. It's only you these two guys, they are the only one that understand what I'm doing, and that is the only reason why I posted I posted that statistic. I don't know why YouTube did not push it. I post statistic. Out of 100% of people who troop into forex trading thinking it's a get rich quick scheme, is only 1% that make it to the profitable phase. Why? Because people are so very arrogant that they don't want to listen to learn. The nonsense they think they are doing on their chart, they think that is the only thing that will make them profitable. Trading is beyond what you are seeing on your chart. Trading is beyond what you are seeing on your chart, but you don't know. You understand? Trading is beyond what you are seeing on your chart. Trading is something, is a game that you need to be in a community where they will be telling you the right and the bitter truth, so that your eye will be open, so that your head will be open. But people like fake things. You understand? When you are faking it for them, I tell you, I post a life in a forex trade, I get 700 and something view. I get very like, are they very surprised? So driving my car round the town, you understand? Driving my car around the town, video town small, post it, I get almost 700 and something views. But if I drop an analysis that will change your mind, change your life, you will not even watch it. Carry my car like this with my brother, we will just round the town, just went to immigration office and the rest to do one or two, just do it there in the life of a forex trader, this and that. E get almost close to 1,000 views, and my video sef no dey go viral. You understand? I don't know, maybe it's because of the plenty knowledge I'm giving. I don't just know. You understand? It's only few people that understand what exactly I'm doing. So now, you guys don't make me vex now. I don't dey even divert from wetin I suppose do sharp and comot from here. But you people don't make me vex. But because of two people here, I'm not going to do anything anyhow. I'm not going to be, and like, I know dey vex because of two people. I know dey vex because of two people. There is nothing that will make me vex because of two people on this particular platform, on this particular channel. I'll still continue doing what exactly I'm doing until I'll make them understand, then I'll monetize everything. If I monetize it, then una eye go open. I will just dey post 3 times in a week. You understand? I will just be posting 3 times in a week. At least I will be posting 3 times in a week. Subscribe, they will not subscribe. Like video, they will not like video. Thank person wey gift me, they will not thank person wey gift me. Keep liking so that the algorithm will keep push the video to more people that will get value from the video. They will not do that. Which type of things is that? Let me see. Please monetize it, bro. People don't value faith. I swear to God, my brother, I don't just know why. Me, I come to this particular platform with clean mind, just to give value. You understand? But they look, they don't need free value. Just as you said it, bro. They don't need it. They don't need free value. They need anybody that can open mouth to waga. They lie to them, show them free, show them demo account, and they will not even show them demo account. You understand? Once you can be able to make a complete 10 video, secretly 10 analysis, tell them that you are selling course, 200,000 naira. Okay, bring it down to 150, the one they will afford. You understand? They will rush you, but the real thing is free, but they don't know because they want to be wasting money. No, start doing three monthly mentorship, bro. I will start it very fast because I have seen it. I'll start it very fast because I've seen it. I've seen it totally. I've seen it. So before I get angry because I'm going to spend a short period of time here. So let me do the top down analysis. Then my brother, sorry for, I just get angry in Ekoi, I swear. These people like, sure. Okay. So I think I calm myself down. I calm myself down. I have a lot of content that I'll be posting without anything. With I have a lot of content, but I refuse to put out that content just to come live with you guys, share the knowledge with you guys face to face. But you understand? So this is it here. So this candlestick now that we are seeing, this last week candlestick that closed bullish from this particular support level, what exactly are you seeing? Means the market have changed a direction to the upside because before any candlestick will come down and break below this particular candlestick, it will be very, very hard for that particular candlestick. So in a short period of time, we'll be experiencing something like this. We'll be seeing something like this on the chart. You understand? Since the market come here like this, go up, come here, then go up with this particular bullish engulfing candle. You understand? Means the market is going to like at least trace any support level here, then go to the upside. This is exactly what weekly time frame is telling us. You hear this is exactly what weekly time frame is telling us on GBP USD. You understand? This is GBP USD. This is exactly weekly time frame is telling us. So whatever you are going to do in this particular new week, wait for a market to come to a support level, then wait for your strategy to play out, then you enter for a buy. Because what I'm seeing, you understand, is the market is going to the upside because of this bullish engulfing candlestick. Don't take it for granted. Please don't take it for granted. Please. Even if you take every other thing for granted, don't take this particular one for granted. You get, so that's exactly what I'm seeing. You understand, on the weekly time frame. Then after you see the full direction of the market from the weekly time frame, then you go to the lower time frame. You understand, this is daily time frame. On the daily time frame, what exactly are you seeing? The market reached this particular resistance level. The market have given us full assurance that the market is going to the upside on the weekly time frame, but the market reached this particular break above this particular inner support level. They reach the resistance level here, trying to give this pin bar to them this bearish candle on Friday. So where exactly are you expecting the market to reach before you see another push to the upside? Because there is no way the market will go below this particular support level. You understand? There is no way the market is coming down below this particular support level. Never. You understand? Not this week. You understand? And maybe not even next week. If you see a bullish engulfing candle like that, before the market will like come down and take out that particular bullish engulfing candle, you must see a bullish candle stick like 2 3 times before you see that the market will take another opposite direction. You understand? So this is exactly what I'm seeing. You get, this is exactly what I'm seeing. So this is daily time frame, and this is an inner support level. And immediately the market tap on this particular inner support level, it went up and closed like this. You understand, on Friday. So we'll go to 4 hour time frame. This is GBP USD. Don't forget, I keep on repeating myself. We'll go to 4 hour time frame. Let's see what the market is doing on the 4 hour time frame. So if the market open, no how, regardless, no matter how the market decide to break to the downside, this particular area, the market cannot go below this particular area. You get, this particular support level, the market cannot be able have that strong momentum to go below this particular support level. You get, because the market have already show us from the higher time frame that is going to the that is going to the upside. So this is the lower time frame. All we need to do is to come down to the lower time frame and spot a support level, a major support level. Then we wait for the market to tap on that particular support level. Then we wait for our strategy to play out. Then we like enter for buy. You get? Whenever a market gives you a sign of going to the upside, all you need to do is follow it to the upside. And whenever a market gives you a sign of going to the downside, all you need to do is follow it to the downside. So this is exactly what I'm going to expect. You get? The market should come to this particular support level, or maybe make a W pattern from this particular support level, then we'll see a push to the upside. That's exactly what I'm going to see on GBP USD. I don't know if you guys understand. So what I say, let me still repeat myself. On the weekly time frame, the market give us a bullish engulfing candle. And whenever you see a bullish engulfing candle on this major support level, means the market is going to the upside. And this is the bullish engulfing candle here. This green candle here is the bullish engulfing candle. After the market give a bullish engulfing candle on the daily time frame, the market break above this particular inner support level. You understand? This is the support level that I mark out here with horizontal line. And the market tap on this particular inner support level. What we will see on the 4 hour time frame now is the market to like form something like a W pattern from this particular inner support level. You understand? Then move to the upside or come down to this particular support level before we see a W pattern and the market to move to the upside. That is exactly what I'm looking out for on GBP this particular week that we are in. And I told you guys, me, if I do my analysis, I dey always tell you, e no get how e go be wey I go end my week in loss. Me and you no fit just bet, you get? And if you are here and you want to bet me that yes, in the next 2, 3, 4 weeks, I will have a loss, I will end my week in loss, just bet with me. You understand? If you are here and you know that yes, in the next 4, 5, in the next 3, 2, 4, 5, 6 weeks, I'm going to end my week in profit, that I cannot be able to show my weekly P&L, just bet with me. This particular week that we just enter, I'm going to end it in profit, because do you know why? I know what exactly I'm doing. And I always show you guys what exactly I do. You understand? I take a trade and I post it every blessed time. You get? I take a trade and I post it every blessed time. Even if you are wise sef, if you are somebody who really want to like learn the way I trade, you just watch the way I take my trade, watch the way I manage my trade and be following it. You understand? Because the way I do my own this thing video, I will break everything down, what exactly I see before I take the trade. I'll keep following the trade one after the other until the trade get to the profitability, to the TP, or I manage it till I take it out. You understand? If you can be able to follow it slow and steady the way I do it, it's going to like favor you a lot. But if you cannot do it that way, just learn how to do a top-down analysis and a technical analysis from the live video that I always do. Then you just keep following your own strategy, because your strategy work. Don't just change your working strategy because of my own. You understand? I always tell you guys the truth. Don't change your working strategy just because you see BenvFX using another strategy, of which my strategy doesn't even have name, but it's making me profitable. You understand? It's making me money, but it doesn't have name. Just a support and resistance level, a W pattern on the support and resistance level with a bullish engulfing candle on the 15-minute time frame. Simple as that. And if I explain it for anybody, they will get confused. They will say, how will support and resistance level make you profitable? They think all these grammars, I trade high CT, I trade SMC, I trade this and that. They think that is the only thing that make people profitable. All those grammar do not work. You understand? All those grammar no dey work. E no dey work. If you don't know how to do your top-down analysis and technical analysis, there is no way all those grammar is going there. And one thing you need to know is there is no perfect strategy on this planet Earth. Let nobody deceive you, but you are going to be deceived. You understand? To still buy course that you don't need. You get? You are still going to be deceived to buy course that you don't need. That is just the thing. Do you get? So let me go to GBP USD real quick. Actually, Euro USD, abi. Let me go to Euro USD real quick, then I'll do a top-down analysis on Euro USD. So hope you guys understand exactly how I analyze GBP USD. I don't want to be rushing it, so that I want to like get a response from you. If you understand how I do it from the weekly time frame down to the lower time frame down to the 4 hour time frame, then please let me know that you understand on the comment section before I move to Euro USD. Then after I analyze Euro USD, I'll analyze XA USD. Then after I analyze XA USD, then I'll call it a day. So please let me know if you understand. If you understand, and if there is anywhere you get confused, please let me know. You understand? If you don't understand the analysis that I do, please let me know. Speak out, because your comment is going to be responded to. I'm not a creator who don't respond to comments. I'm a creator who value his viewer, who value his subscriber. So if you are just coming and you don't understand the analysis, just let me know so that I'll still break it down. You understand? See, you guys they take me for granted o, but I don't blame una, because I no dey park my Lamborghini, I no dey post Lamborghini for una. You understand? So that's not the reason here. Let me see. Okay, UD. Let me see. Exactly. All those grammar just means the same thing. The market is just support and resistance level, break and retest. Period. The retest could be shallow or deep. Simple as that. See, it's only experienced traders that know all these things. It's of recent, you understand, last year that I know that all those grammars on the chart, all those grammars in this particular industry doesn't really matter. E no even matter at all. Not it doesn't really matter. E no even matter at all. E no dey even work. Once you know how to do your top down analysis, spot a support and resistance level, break and retest, that's just all. That is just all. And that is everything is the same. And if they like, let them call it any name at all. Everything is the same. You understand? Everything is the same. If they like, let them call it any name at all. Everything is the same. You understand? And I always tell you guys that forget all those grammars. Focus on the main thing. You understand? Focus on the main thing. The main thing that you are going to focus on is the chart. Because this particular battle, regardless of any course you buy, I know I'm going to sell course. That one is sure. That one is sure. I'm going to sell course because people don't value free knowledge. I'm going to sell course, and it's compulsory because I have a track record. I'm going to sell course. But there are a lot more of free content under my YouTube channel that will make you profitable. But if you reach out to me, I'm going to monetize my one-on-one chat with you. From next year 2026, I'm going to monetize my one-on-one chat with anybody. You understand? If you need my one-on-one chat, I'm going to like monetize it. You are going to pay for it, or just let me have my peace. You understand? I have a lot of people on my DM that I responded to every minute, but they did not take it serious. Before I even come on live video, I know they share my life to my WhatsApp status. So before I come, I know they share it to my WhatsApp status, because if I ask him question on WhatsApp, he will answer me. Then what's the essence of watching him online again? You understand? So they see me less. But you see, next year 2026, from the beginning of 2026, anything you want to learn from me, you are going to pay for it. You get anything, except if you depend on what I'm doing on this particular channel, then let that one be free. Anyone I bring to you guys here, let it be free. But you see, next year 2026, everything will be monetized. Everything is going to be monetized. I don't want to like monetize it because of just two people, but one have given me go ahead already. I'm still going to take permission from the second one. You understand? I'm still going to take permission from Taste of Mystery, because then they know exactly what I'm doing and they value it. You understand? And as they value it, I value them, I give them their respect maximum o, maximum, not even medium or minimum, maximum respect. I give it to them, maximum respect for for having that kind of, you understand, knowledge and understanding to actually know what exactly I'm doing on this particular platform. And that is the reason why a lot of people fail in forex trading. You understand? That's the reason why people don't know what forex trading is all about. They think it's a get rich quick scheme. You understand? That is the reason why they want to buy calls so that they will become profitable next year. If they have one on one, before I even reply, you have to pay. If you send me message, I will tell you pay this amount to this account before I will respond to you, because I have a track record. If you don't pay, fuck off. You understand? That is it. All right. Emmanuel. Chukwuka Emmanuel, you are welcome. You are welcome. I see you. You did. I support you, brother. They have to pay for your time. Clean and clear, my bro. Clean and clear. Thank you so much for giving me go ahead. Thank you so much for giving me go ahead. You understand? Thank you so much for giving me go ahead. So now like this, let me go to Euro USD just as I said, because I'm running out of time already. I'm running out of time. So this is it. Then Euro USD. Okay, this is okay on our screen here. This is Euro USD. You understand? This Euro USD. And what exactly are you seeing on Euro USD? But before we even do anything, let's do a top-down analysis. You understand? Let's do a top-down analysis on Euro USD. Euro USD give us this particular, see, Friday trade. Everybody need to like stay away from Friday trade. Last Friday, I had not taken any single trade because of what the market is doing. You understand? Friday trade, everybody need to go like stay away from Friday trade. You understand? If not, this strong bullish engulfing came from this particular inner support level for send the market all the way to this particular resistance level, but because because of that Friday trade, there is a consolidation till the market close. But I'll go to the higher time frame, which is doing a top down analysis. You understand? I'm going to do a top down analysis, do it from the higher time frame, which is weekly time frame. Let's see how last week candlestick close. Let's see how last week candlestick close. Okay. What exactly are you seeing? What exactly are you seeing? What exactly are you seeing? This particular answer, because of too much manipulation, it cannot even be able to like close engulf. You understand? Because of too much manipulation, it cannot be able to close engulf. You get, but the market is moving from this particular support level already. So we will see a push to the upside. This particular bearish engulfing candle, I don't think it have so much impact on the market anymore. You understand? Then, before I conclude, let me see, because had it been the market go and close above this particular bearish engulfing candle, then I will say yes. But since the market moved from here close above 50% of this particular bearish engulfing candle, everything you have to use your sense, use your technical analysis. That's why I call it technical analysis. Use your sense and do the analysis. Then past experience and the rest now will make you know the right decision to take. You understand, when the time comes. So this is it here. You go to daily time frame. Since the market refused to close engulf, you go to daily time frame. Then you see what daily time frame is doing. Okay, this is exactly what daily time frame is doing. This is exactly what daily time frame is doing. The market tried to close engulf, but a lot of manipulation. You get a lot of manipulation on Euro USD and DP USD these days is too much. So the market tried to close engulf, but it did not close and go, but this particular candlestick close aggressively to the upside, then this one again close bullish. This is where the consolidation started from, because the market is approaching. Let me see, is there any where that a valid trend line will come from here? Is there anywhere that a valid trend line will come from? I don't normally use trend line, but let me mark you and see if there will be anywhere valid trend line will come from. Now there's no anywhere valid trend line will come from. Except if no, no. So this is it. You have to, like, once it comes to like technical analysis, anything technical, just search technique. You understand? Search what technique is all about on your phone. You see the difference. You see what I'm talking about. You see what technical analysis is all about. So this is where the trend is working from. What exactly are you seeing? The trend line from this particular resistance level, like the market, this is first touch, this is it, this is where it starts from. This is first touch, second touch, and the third touch break above the trend line. And as the market break above the trend line, it come down and retest the trend line before we are seeing this push to the upside. This is where technical analysis come into it. You understand? And from this particular support level, which type of candles, which type of pattern are you seeing? This is a W pattern. This is a W pattern that you're seeing. So the market, what I'll be expecting is the market to like go to the upside. You understand? Means the market is going to break above this particular resistance level, then make a double bottom, double top. The market is going to this particular resistance level and make a double top. So the market, okay, this is it. The market will like do this exact same thing. It will come to this particular, like as it make a clean W pattern from this particular support level. It will like go all the way to this particular resistance level, consolidate a bit, then break above it to the upside, then maybe go and make a clean double before we see any other thing. You understand? Once the market break above this particular major support level, then this is where we are going to see it. And this is where we are going to see it on the daily time frame. Then we are still going to the 4 hour time frame. Let's see what 4 hour time frame is doing from this particular area, because on Friday there is a lot of manipulation on Friday, a whole lot of manipulation on Friday. But let's see what 4 hour time frame is saying. You understand? Let's see what 4 hour time frame is saying. Let's see what 4 hour time frame is saying. Real quick. So we'll go to 4 hour time frame, and this is it. The market make a clean double W pattern. You understand? Then it comes to this particular. You should mark your trend line from here like this. You should mark your trend line from this particular inner resistance level. This is it here. This is it here. The market comes to this particular trend line, then move to the upside. You understand? So this is exactly what I'm going to see. Immediately if the market open, there is an inner support level here where we'll be expecting the. Let me clean everything because I don't like too much drawing on my chart. There is an inner support level here, where the market might come to clear all this liquidity and come to this particular area, give us a clean double, a clean W pattern from here before we see a push to the ups. You understand? Something like this. But regardless, if the market open on Monday, if the market open and close on Monday evening, 8 p.m., that is tomorrow, 8 p.m. tomorrow, I'll come on live video and let's see what the market will do tomorrow, tomorrow, which is Monday, because On Monday, market don used to be stable, you understand. There is too much manipulation, allow like market is like trying to like settle down first before the right movement take place from Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, before there is a manipulation on Friday. But regardless, an experienced trader must end his week in profit, and it's not a must to, you understand, because there are weeks that you try all your possible best, you have loss, you have gain, you have loss, you have gain, and your loss will like come later, like exceed your profit. So it's not must, but an experienced trader know exactly what to do in any type of market condition. You understand? Somebody like me, I know exactly what to do in any type of market condition. If you watch my live video, 100,000, road to $100,000, you see my weekly this thing P&L, you see my monthly P&L, and you see my 3 month P&L. You understand? For you to know that yes, I'm not joking here. You get? I'm not joking. So this is it here. If the market open tomorrow and close, I'm coming to this particular live stream tomorrow evening to see what the market will do. You understand? Then we'll see it together. Understand? We are going to see how tomorrow candlestick will close. We'll open and close, then we'll see it together. That's exactly what I'm going to do tomorrow. Then we'll be prepared for Tuesday. After Tuesday trade, then Wednesday we'll come on live again. Let's see how far the progress is, you understand. Then we'll still sharpen our brain again for Thursday and Friday. Then after Thursday and Friday treat, then we'll come on live video, then we'll like rub mind, give ourselves, tell ourselves what is happening and the rest. Then we'll still keep pushing, you understand, because this particular game you need to give yourself enough time, because before you make it to the profitable phase, except if you don't want to make it to the profitable phase, before you make it to the profitable phase, it's not that 1 month mentorship that is going to make you to the profitable phase. And that is exactly what I always tell you guys. It's not that 1 month and 1 month mentorship that will make you to the profitable phase. These guys that are selling course for you, none of them can be able or boldly show their 3 month history. At least even if it is just $3 that you end your 3 month history, you can even consider yourself profitable. You understand? If you can control yourself and end a whole 3 months in profit, either in demo or in prop account or in real account, if you can be able to like end your 3 months, complete 3 months in profit, even if it is just $1, you can consider yourself a disciplined and a risk manager trader. You understand? So let's continue. Just stay around. Anything you know that you can do to help the channel, just do this, do exactly what you know that yes, if I do this one it will help the channel grow. Then we just continue doing our thing, you understand. Me, as like the kind of person I am, I'm not the kind of person that extort money from people. I'm the kind of person that try to give value, let people know me for giving value. That is just exactly what I want, not pursuing money, you understand. The ones my brothers are giving me here, I swear to God, if you see where it's going in my heart, you will be very very surprised, you understand. I'm not the kind of person that just try to pursue money. No, it's not everything that you monetize, but you people are pushing me to monetize this particular live section, to even like make this particular live section to my to my membership alone. And I know like small amount of people here, at least 2 people can afford that. The money that they have gifted me sef can be able to pay for their membership for how many years, and not that they are not an experienced for how many months, and not that they are not an experienced trader. So you understand, they are an experienced traders, but the value I'm giving them, they see the value I'm giving. Am I the one that, am I the best? No, You understand? Do I even have enough subscribers? No. Do I even have enough viewers? No. But they see value in what I'm doing and they gift me money. You understand? So this is it, this is it, this is it, this is it, this is it. Let me continue. So if the market open and do whatever he wants to do tomorrow, we'll still come on tomorrow evening, anything 8 p.m. You understand? To look at what the market do, then we'll predict how Tuesday candlestick is going to like be. Tuesday trade is going to be. You understand? And if I get chance during London section, I can maybe come and rub mind with you people because it's not easy trading alone. It's not easy trading alone. I can feel the pain you guys are feeling, but you guys don't want to support. That is the only problem. You understand? I can feel the pain you guys. Every 99% of traders are passing through hell, but they will never ever agree. You understand? They will never ever agree. They are passing through hell. They will deposit, but they will not. They will never withdraw. They will deposit, but they will never withdraw. That is what is happening in the industry. But shame and propaganda and arrogance will never allow them to like admit that yes, I'm still losing. You understand? For them to get a proper knowledge. No, you understand? No. But next year, if God keep us alive, we are going to see, you guys are going to know the real Benv FX. You understand? Forget say I'm pampering my account this year. Forget all the pamper and the rest I'm giving to my account this year. I don't even know if I'm going to start another challenge next year, because next year will be different entirely. But this year I want to focus on giving value. You get? I want to focus on giving value. So this is exactly what I'm seeing on Euro USD. Then let's go to XAUSD. We'll still come back here tomorrow evening by 8 p.m. Let's see what the market is doing. You understand? Let's see what the market is doing. Let's see what exactly the market is doing. Which particular analysis is this? Okay. I told you guys that the market tap on this particular support level. When? Okay, here, yes, exactly. This particular area, right? Is it here or here? You understand? Then it will like go above this particular resistance level. This resistance level cannot hold this particular XAUSD. No, this resistance level, I keep saying it since last week. Since last week that this resistance level cannot hold XAUSD, and you guys can see, and you will see your eye, you will see and your eye will clear. You understand? This resistance level cannot hold it. It's going to this particular resistance level, then we'll see either it will break it to the upside or it will like take a massive drop to the downside. You understand? That's exactly what we are going to see on XAUSD. You understand? So this is exactly what I'm going to do. Let me see how weekly time frame close. Let me see how weekly time frame close. Then we'll go to daily time frame. As you can, once I told you guys something, when I if I say anything, it will be very hard for you to doubt me, because I know exactly what I'm saying. I don't see, since I keep saying this thing, I don't know how this particular candlestick is going to close. But keep saying it right from when the market moved from this particular support level, that this resistance level cannot hold XAUSD. And what exactly are you saying? This is a strong bullish engulfing candle and is on the resistance level already. Regardless, no how, if this week candlestick open, the only thing it will do, just mark a 15% of this particular candlestick. Let me just mark this particular. I know I don't want to be using too much this thing, too much drawing on my chart. This particular area will be where the market will like at least create weak, if it will even reach here. You understand? Before we see a push above this particular resistance level till e make a double top here, before we see either it will break to the downside or to the upside. Exactly what I'm expecting on XAUSD. You understand? See how clean and clear this particular candlestick close, and it close engulf, very healthy engulf. You get very, very healthy engulf. So let's go to daily time frame. Let's see what daily time frame is doing from that particular resistance level. Okay, what exactly are you seeing? What exactly are you seeing that the market is doing from this particular resistance level? I predict this thing and it's working out very, very clean and clear. You understand? The market is taking an aggressive move. See a bullish engulfing candle on the daily time frame. See another bullish engulfing candle on the daily time frame. See another bullish engulfing candle approaching the resistance level on the daily time frame. Tell me how is it magic or any witch now that will push the market down to down again, you understand, from here. It can happen. This is good. It can happen. But my own prediction is that the market is going to make a double top here. You understand? A double top here. It can happen. You understand? Anything can happen. But my own prediction and from my own past experience, if the market is going to break above this particular resistance level to the upside, you understand? Break above this particular resistance level to the upside before we see a push to the downside. You understand? This is exactly what I'm going to see. You understand? This is daily time frame. Then this particular area, let's go to 4 hour time frame and see if there is any nearby support level where the market might respect. Okay. There is a nearby support level here, but I don't think the market will come to this particular support level anymore before it will take its move to the right direction, because the right direction is an uptrend. You understand? No how if the market will come down, then it will be either this particular support level um or this particular support level before it will take an aggressive move above this particular resistance level to this particular area before we see a push to the downside. You understand? This is exactly what I'm expecting on XAUUSD. So please take note, take note. And if the market is breaking from this particular resistance level, there are a lot of places for the market to like see if the market give any bullish. We are coming to this particular top down analysis tomorrow again. Tomorrow will be technical analysis. You understand? We are going to do a technical analysis from this particular resistance level. Means the market is coming down to like come down to this particular support level or this particular major support level, but it will be very hard. But let's see how tomorrow will be. So if you want to like benefit from this particular analysis, come tomorrow and see how tomorrow analysis will be, because tomorrow now a lot of the market will like between the market like 8 o'clock tomorrow, the market will like have settled down and the rest will know the redirection of the chart and the rest. You understand? So don't miss that tomorrow top down analysis. You get don't miss that tomorrow top down analysis 8 p.m. sharp. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please subscribe to the channel and turn on the bell notification so that you'll be part of the tomorrow top down technical analysis, so that you know what exactly technical analysis and an experienced trader technical analysis is all about. You understand? So as the week is about to open, one thing that always happens to me when I start trading is I'll be praying so that week will start. Then immediately if week starts, then I'll start trading. You understand? But now like this, I don't even send anything again. Do you understand? I don't send anything anymore. If week is starting is not starting if Monday come and I've not seen a clean and clear setup, I'm not going to take a trade till Tuesday. If Tuesday come and I've not seen a clean and clear setup, I'm not going to take a trade. And if Wednesday come and I've not seen a clean and clear setup, I'm not going to take a trade. And that's how I've not taken a trade on GBP USD and Euro USD throughout last 2 weeks. You understand? So let's see how tomorrow is going to be. Please don't miss that tomorrow live section for anything. Please and please don't forget to like and subscribe to this particular channel. Like the video, You understand? Please help me like the video. Like the video as you are watching me now like this. Please like the video. So I don't know if you get value from this particular live section. Please let me see a reaction from you. If you get value from this particular live section, let me see a reaction from you. This section is a section that's supposed to do in the morning around 9, but immediately I start a live session, they took lights. So I just say let me bend it till 8 till this evening, you understand? So I'm not going to like, I've come to the end of the top down analysis now. Everything we are going to discuss from now will be like normal gist and tell you guys what exactly you're supposed to do, you're supposed to approach your week and the rest, how disciplined you're supposed to be, you understand, to approach your week. So please, as you are watching me now, please click on the like button, please click on the like button and click on the subscription button. It's not going to take anything from you. Click on the subscription button and click on the like button. You understand? That is the only help you are going to give to the community. You are going to give to the channel. So ask me any question regarding like concerning forex trading or any particular trading industry at all, so that I'll give you the answer. I'm waiting for that. In a short period of time, we are going to call it a day. Man, I'm waiting for the question on the comment section. Then please and please, if you get value from the top down analysis that we'll do, let me know. If you get value from this particular video, just let me know. Valued. If you can write valued, means you get value. So I'll be waiting for question. While I'm waiting for question, please don't forget to like. Just click like and click the subscription button. You understand? Those two things is enough for me. Those two things is enough for me. Just click the subscription button and click like. You understand? To help the channel grow. Just as I decide to like give you guys a free knowledge. You get? So let me know real quick. If there is any question you have, please drop it on the comments. Drop the question on the comments. Drop the question on the comments. I don't know if UD is still active. And this is when I supposed to start the live video. This is when my people will start coming to live, thinking I'll start live video by 8. And I've started video over 1 hour now, because I suppose do this particular live video since morning. You understand? Just as I promised. But I start the live video, but immediately they took their lights. So I ended it. I think that live video is just 10 minutes live video. I start the live video like 6 minutes and they take their lights. Just use the remaining minutes to like wait, maybe them go soon come. So Madu, do you you want me to wait, right? You want me to wait? If you want, Madu want me to wait, man. No wahala, bro. No wahala, no wahala, no wahala. I just want my people to get value, man. Madu, and you are still active, bro. Man. But wait, do you have my WhatsApp number, Madu? Do you have my WhatsApp number? Please let me know. Is it Madu? Oh, this guy don't chop my head finish. Oh. Yes, wait. Okay, I'll wait. UD. Do you have my WhatsApp number? UD, do you have my WhatsApp number? Eh, but I don't know. Which name? Please, then you message me after after the live video. You message me after the live video. You message me after the live video. So if there is any question, please drop it. If there is any question, please drop it. I know. You never messaged me before. I know. I know. I've never seen your message before. I know. GBPAUD. Okay, GBPAUD. Alright. That's very great. Let me do a quick top-down analysis on GBPAUD. Let me see. Have I? Okay, not here too. This is GBPAUD. Have I ever make an analysis on this pen? No. Or more. I've never make analysis on this pen before. Why? I've never make analysis on this pen before. There's a gap here. When the market is taking an aggressive move to the downside, it created a gap here. You understand? It created a gap here. I see something. So that is the gap that the market come up here to fill. You understand? The market come all the way from this particular, merely make a double bottom. It come all the way to this particular. Let me see. It merely make a double bottom here. You go all the way to this particular resistance level to fill this particular gap. You understand? Because this gap is not every pair that leave it behind. I don't know. USD JPY and DP JPY refuse to like fill one gap for how many months, how many weeks now? You understand? They refuse to fill that particular gap. But this is exactly what the market is supposed to do, and it has done that. So it moved from here, approached that particular gap, it come down because of this resistance level, you understand? Then it gather momentum from here, give a bullish engulfing candle with like this is a hammer and it engulf this particular area. That's the reason why I take an aggressive move to the upside. Then it go again close to the fair value gap, it break down, then nearly come to this particular area, gather momentum. That is why you see this particular consolidation. Gather enough momentum from here, then boom, tap on this particular fair value, particular gap that it creates. Then after you tap on the particular gap, it give this particular bearish engulfing candle, bearish candle to this particular support level. Then it give a bullish engulfing candle. Let me see the overall trend of the market. The reason why this particular bullish engulfing candle did not work, it means the market is going to the downside. Let me see the overall trend of the market. Let me go to weekly time frame. Let me go to weekly time frame. Let me go to weekly time. This is the reason. This is exactly what I'm saying. The overall trend of the market is the bearish and is the bearish. That is the reason why this particular bullish engulfing candle did not work. You understand? So you have to know exactly where you like take your trade from, where to use a bullish engulfing candle. You understand? Not that you take a trade using bullish engulfing candle, then you anywhere you see bullish engulfing candle, then you just enter. No. You have to do your top down analysis and know the direction of the market. Just see this thing, just see the example here. Since you see this particular bearish engulfing candle, do you see that the market go above it? No, because the market is on a downtrend. You understand? Okay, since you see this particular bearish engulfing candle, do you see that the market go above it? No, because the market is on the downtrend. Since you see this particular bearish engulfing candle, do you see that the market go above it? No, because the market is on a downtrend. So whenever a market is on a downtrend, you have to like switch. If you use bullish engulfing candle when the market is going to the upside, then use bearish engulfing candle when the market is going to the lower to the downside. You understand? That's how it works. You get, that's how it work. So let me do a top down analysis. Let me see a top down analysis. Let me see a top down analysis. Okay, this is the reason why the market is going down now. The market has been trending up right from this particular area. You understand? You see, this is a low, this is a higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low, higher high. No, this higher high is just more of consolidation. This is a higher high, higher low, higher high. You understand? Since it creates this particular high, then it come down. You understand? Then to this particular support level, then this particular support level it consolidates on this particular support level. Let me mark it out. Consolidate around this particular support level. Then the market refused to go and create another higher high. You understand? Then it consolidate till it break, it give this particular bearish engulfing candle on the weekly time frame and it break by force to the downside. That is the reason why you see that the market try and tap on that particular gap that it creates, and that gap is on the resistance level. And since it's tap on that particular gap, that is the reason why you are seeing a bearish engulfing candle to the downside, and the market is respecting it to the downside. You understand? So as when market is trending to the upside, if you look closely, you see that yes, bullish engulfing candle works. You understand? Bullish engulfing candle also work when the market is trending to the upside. Okay, this is it here. This is a bullish engulfing candle. You send the market all the way to this particular area before the market come to this particular place. And it's not, just know that it's not every particular pair that bullish engulfing candle work almost, like it's not every pair that bullish engulfing candle will give you at 80% win rate. No, it's only GBP USD, Euro USD, and XA USD. I don't know, maybe it has been long. I've been trading a bullish engulfing candle in those particular pair that makes me understand how it work on those pairs. You understand? But what I'm seeing here is not every time that the market respects bullish engulfing candle, but bullish engulfing candle have an upper hand on every pair. You understand? Whenever you see a healthy bullish engulfing candle, it will be very hard for the market to go below that particular engulfing candle. And as bullish engulfing candles strategy is, that's how evening star and morning star candlestick strategy is. And that is why pin bar candles pin bar strategy is. And that is why hammer candle this thing strategy also dey. You understand? So there are lot of strategy out there. You get? So it's not only bullish engulfing candle or bearish engulfing candle strategy that is on this particular industry. No, not at all. You understand? There are people who use Fibonacci to make crazy amount of money. There are people who use break and retest to make crazy amount of money. There are people who use evening star to make crazy amount of money. Okay, this is an evening star. You understand? This is an evening star. Then I'll show you a morning star also. I'll show you a morning star. Okay, this is a morning star. This particular one's a morning star. This is a morning star. You understand? So some pairs, morning star and evening star, work most. You understand? On them. And some pairs like JPSD, Euro USD, and XAUSD, this thing work the best. You understand? To me, it work the best. Bullish engulfing candle work the best. This is a bullish engulfing, healthy bullish engulfing candle, and since then the market is taking this aggressive move to the upside. But do you know what this particular market is all about? Do you know what this industry is all about? You cannot teach what you don't know. Do you understand? You cannot teach what you don't know. As I don't know what Fibonacci is, there is no way I can teach what Fibonacci is. As I don't know, I know about break and retest because I have traded break and retest before. I can teach about break and retest. I can teach about evening star. I can teach about other strategies. But the one I'm using that is working for me, that is the one I can beat my chest and predict the market for you from. You understand? Shey you get? So bullish engulfing candle is the one that I master. Bullish engulfing candle and bearish engulfing candle is the one that I master. You understand? So that's just how it is. That's just how it is. You get? That's just how it is. Let me see. I've been in the bearish trade since last week. I am still holding. Wow, that is very, very great. Let me see, let me see, let me see, let me see. Let me see. Means I have to dive into the analysis very, very quick. So immediately the market tap on the this thing on the gap that I spot on this particular 4 hour time frame, the market give this particular bearish engulfing candle. You understand? So before you see any, just hold your this thing, hold yourself very, very tight. You understand? Because the market is coming down. And the reason why I say the market is coming down is because of this particular bearish engulfing candle that I'm seeing. You understand? And immediately this particular bearish engulfing candle happen, the market come to this particular support level and give a bullish engulfing candle. This bullish engulfing candle, if I go to the lower time frame, there's something again. This bullish engulfing candle went up to fill. You understand? There is something the bullish engulfing candle went up to fill. Let me come down. Okay, it went up to tap on this particular resistance level. You understand? It went up to tap on this particular resistance level. Let me see. Then create something like a head and shoulder. Let me see. Make something like a head and shoulder. This is a head, this is a shoulder, this is a head, this is a shoulder before the market is going to the downside. So my advice is hold yourself very, very tight. You understand? Because the market is still going down very, very, it's still going down very, very far. You understand? Hold yourself very, very tight. That's the only advice I have for you. The market will come to this particular support level and like tap on this particular support level again. You understand? Mm, should I even you understand? The market will come to this particular support level before it will do anything. It will come to this particular support level, maybe retrace a bit, but this is the major area I'm expecting the market to come to. You understand? Before it will like take any other move to the upside. Because if you look at this particular no weekly time frame, if you look at this particular pair closely, um it's going to the downside. You understand? It's going to the downside because it has break this major support level already. There is another major support level down here, but it's very, very fast. So you hold yourself very tight. Just hold yourself very, very tight. This is another major support level where the market will react from. So before the market reach here, you don't pack you don't pack profit. So hold yourself very, very tight. Let's see how it's going to be. Then if I come on live video tomorrow, please come up with this particular DPAUD so that we'll see how tomorrow candlestick is going to be. You understand? Let's see how tomorrow candlestick is going to be together. You understand? Let's see how tomorrow candlestick is going to be together. But it's going to be bearish because there is nothing here that will restrict the market from going to the upside and from going to the downside because this candlestick self still have name. This is three white soldier. You understand? This candlestick self still have name. This is the type of candlestick that they call three white soldier. You understand? And whenever you see that three white soldier, just like from this particular area, you see that the market will go very, very down, the market will go down very, very far. You understand? So those three white soldiers is going to like take the market to the downside to this particular support level or break below this particular support level to this particular major support level. So let's see how it's going to be. Understand? Let's see how it's going to be. Let me see. 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 So please, do you understand all the analysis? I don't know if the analysis correspond with what you are seeing on your end here. Yes, I don't know if the analysis corresponds with what you are seeing. If the analysis correspond with what you analyze, let me know. 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 If the analysis correspond with what you do on your side there, let me know. Or maybe if you are seeing another thing different, just let me know so that we'll all see it together. I'll be waiting for comments. And again, if you have any question, don't hesitate to drop it. And don't hesitate to drop your question on the comment section. I respond to every comment. I respond to every comment. That's just it. I respond to every comment. It corresponds. Yes, thanks. All right. That's very great. That's very great. That is very. Oh wow, that's very great, my brother. That's very great. That's very great. That's very very great, man. I know you know how to do your top-down analysis and your technical analysis. All like the reason why you are here sef is because you need a place where traders will be rubbing mind, like where there will not be any place like sugarcoating things or faking anything. You understand? I know that's the reason why you are here, and it's God that bring you here. You understand? To like encourage other traders. That's just it. To encourage other traders. I don't know why Taste of Mystery have not come to this particular stream. Mm. I don't know why he has not come to this particular stream. Uh, man. So if you have any question, please drop it. And please, if you have not like, if you have not liked this particular live stream, please like it. Just click that like button. That one that is close to subscription. That one that is close to subscription button. Just like, and if you have not subscribed, please click that subscribing button, please, so that you help the channel grow. Please click on that subscribe button. It's not going to take anything from you. They are not going to charge you for that. You are here already. You are highly welcome. My strategy is slightly different, but the bias is usually the same. That is very great, my brother. Mm. Strategy must not be the same, you understand, but at least let the bias at least be the same, so that you yourself you know that yes, what you do is at least it's correct. Mm. I don't even know your bias before I do the analysis, and the bias correspond with your own bias means it's all good. So please, if you have any favorite pair, any of you here that is watching now, if you have your own favorite pair, just drop it on the comment section real quick. And drop it on the comment section so that we'll go through it. Let's know what's happening. Um, his network that his network that is stressing the hell out of me. Oh. His network that is stressing the hell out of me. Bro, like, I don't know, Sha. That's how it's always happen. That's how it's happen sometimes. And sometimes it will just be working smoothly, you understand, till I finish my live stream. I don't know, Sha. If you have any question, don't hesitate to ask the question. I'm here for you guys and you guys alone. And the only thing I need from you guys, I keep requesting for that, is your subscribe and your like. Mm, your subscribe, your subscription and your like. Just subscribe and like. Then that is the only thing I need from you. The remaining thing, the value you are going to get, your subscribing, the subscribe that you subscribe will pay for that. You understand? The value, the like, have a lot of have data. What is this? I've restrict every other message from coming to the phone to the so that it will not distract what I'm doing here. But still on still, still on still. What is it? So just drop your question. Drop your question. Funa, I don't know if you have any question. Funa, I don't even know if you are still active. I don't know if you are still active. If you have any question, just drop it on the comment. If you have any question, drop it on the comment real quick, real quick, real quick. If you are active, let me see active from you, please. Let me see active, 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 active. If you are active, let me see active, 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 active. Let me see active from you guys. Real quick, real quick, real quick. Active, UD, man. Kai God. UD. Even through the storm, you dey. Ah, no wahala. God, no wahala. Even through the storm, you dey. No wahala. So, any question, any question, any question, just ask any question at all. Ask any question. Any question related to trading, just ask. Ask. So, week is about to start. Before you go and blow your account, ask question now. Ask question. Ask. There are play if I'm the one that somebody is giving this opportunity, giving this chance for me to ask question, mm, the kind of question I'll be throwing. But I don't know why. You people will just you people no reaction. Like ask question. Week is about to start. I let me see. Go through risk management again, abeg. Okay, 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 okay. Oh yeah, na no wahala, no wahala, no wahala, no wahala. See ba, once you hold any account and you want that account, see what I always tell you guys is, first of all, you have to remove get rich quick from your head. The short video of statistic that I posted, is it day before yesterday? Just check the number one. You understand the reason why people troop into forex trading. They think they think forex trading is a get rich quick scheme. You understand? That's the reason why people 100% of people troop into the game. You understand? Then the first 2 months, or abi the statistic is still here. Just go and watch that particular short video. You see it by yourself. So for you to be in this game for long, you have to remove how to get rich quick from your head. Just see the game as a long term game. You understand? And this game is not a game that just 1 month mentorship or 1 year mentorship will make you profitable. No. You understand? And this game, what you need to know is you versus the chart. Even if you want to register under anybody for mentorship, let it be somebody who will tell you the truth behind what forex trading is. Let it be somebody who will teach you the business around forex trading, so that what you are paying for is not for nothing. If I start my own course, I'm going to teach about the businesses around forex trading. I'm going to just teach about that. Is what I'm even going to be preaching about sef. You have to know the business around the forex trading first of all, before you even think of getting rich, getting profitable in the game of forex trading. You understand? So you know the business or the businesses around forex trading and every other trading at all, every other trade, anything concerning trading. You have to know the business around it. That's why when you know the business around it, you'll be doing the business and you'll be like trading. You understand? When you are doing that particular business, you understand, when you involve yourself in that particular business, the way I'm going to like make you understand forex trading, you remove get rich quick scheme, get rich quick from your brain. You understand? And be seeing trading as a long term gain. Your 1 month mentorship, your 3 month mentorship that you pay will not make you profitable. The only thing that will make you profitable is here. You understand? So talking about risk management, if you deposit, let me just say that you deposit, I will do that particular thing next year. I'll deposit a certain amount of money in my broker, then I'll take it to a certain amount of money. You understand? Maybe that is what I'm going to do next year, because I'm thinking about it. I'll put a certain amount of money in my broker, then I'll take it to a certain amount of money. You understand? A tangible amount of money, a reasonable amount of money. Then I'll get a proper profit account. You understand? Because this year alone, this year I've dedicated this year to risk management and slow and steady game and the rest. You understand? Next year is not going to be like that. I'm going to deposit a certain amount of money into my broker. Any particular trade that I take on that particular account, you guys are going to be following me, and I'm going to create, by then I'll create a channel. You understand? I'll be very, very active. I'll be very, very active. I'll create a just WhatsApp channel for a serious minded people who will like take that journey with me. You understand? Because this particular strategy now, I've studied this year. This year end means complete 2 years that I've been studying this particular strategy. So next year, I'm going to see if I'm going to be like make a fortune of money from forex or not. And what I'm going to do, I've understand how risk management work. I've understand how to manage trade. I've disciplined myself enough to know when to enter and when not to enter. You understand? So talking about this risk management, if you deposit, let me just say you deposit $100 inside your broker, how you are going to risk it? I will suggest you risk $5 per trade. You understand? That $5 per trade is not that you are going to take 10 trades per day and be risking $5. That $5 is for 1 day. You understand? every blessed day you risk $5. If you want to like take 2 trade per day, then you risk $2.5 per trade. Maybe during London section your setup will play out and you risk $2.5 per that trade. You target 1 to 2, that is $5. During New York section you still risk that same $2.5. Understand? You target 1 to 2. If it go against you, good and fine, you have earned that particular day in profit. Next day, if your strategy play out, you take a trade. If your strategy did not play out, you stay out of the market. You understand? The following day, just the amount that you are going to be risking per trade, that is what you are supposed to stick to. No matter how fancy, no matter how beautiful a strategy present itself for you, don't because of that and risk more than what you're supposed to risk per day. You get? So you have to like, that is exactly what I do throughout last year 2024, and that is exactly what I do before I enter prop account. Before from the beginning of this year, let me just say from the 15th of this particular year down to around that kind March that I bought that particular prop account. Since then, you understand? So I have not lose more than $100. Is when I'm playing with my 25K account that I lose more than $100. But since I take it very very serious, check my trade, check my video, I've not lose more than $100 per day. Never. That is the limit I set, because this year the risk management, I want to discipline myself to the level that I can talk something and stand on it. You understand? Not by going from here to here, from here to here, from here to here. No. You understand? So that amount that you are like that you are risking per trade, don't go above it. You can go below it, depend on how the strategy and how your mind is telling you about that particular setup. You can go below it, but don't go above it. You understand? You can go below the setting, that amount that you set to be risking per trade. You can go below it, but don't go above it. Whenever you go above it, that day that you are going to go above that amount that you set, that is the day you are going to lose the trade. Except if it has never happened to any one of you here. Please let me know. Don't you like have you ever experienced that? Like, have you ever experienced this, that the day you increase your lot size to maximize your profits, that is the day that you lose more, or that is the day that your strategy will not work? Have you ever experienced it? If you have experienced that, let me see comment from you. The day you think, oh, this particular strategy is very healthy, this particular strategy is very very good, that is the and you increase your, yes, it happened my bro, that is the day that you have lost. So now like this, me, no matter how fancy, no matter how beautiful a strategy look like, I don't go above what I supposed to like risk. It has happened to me many times. Even me myself, I learn. See, all this thing I'm telling you, is out of experience. So is out of experience. Is out of experience. That is the reason why I said I know what traders pass through, because I know what I pass through. I know how many times I cry. As a family man, I know how many times I cry in the night like this. My wife go dey sleep, I go dey see, I go dey stare on my child like this, dey cry. I suppose dey post my old videos on the short video for you guys, so that you guys will be seeing. I no dey sleep in the night too. In the night like this, I go dey on top my chat. All this knowledge I'm giving you guys like this is a knowledge of brutally Is a knowledge of brutally, my bro. You understand? Is a knowledge of brutally. Like I don't cry tire, I don't wipe my tear tire. Like all this experience, I gather it by fire, by force. No mentor, nobody to rub mind with, nothing. So after I've discovered myself and I stop losing money, had it been as still dey lose money up till today. You see that shop where you dey see me inside, if I no even dey exist again. You see my car, I for don sell my car. You understand? I for don sell my car because of trading, and I for don sell other valuable things, other assets I have because of trading. You understand? But I discover myself because of too much studying upon studying, research upon research, learning upon learning. Regardless of how I wake up early in the morning to come to my shop, I will still, if I close from shop 10, 11, I will still go house and stay awake till around 3. You understand? Sometimes that day that I cry under Kojo Forest dis thing Instagram page, I had not sleep till morning. You understand? So all dis thing, all the knowledge that I gather is because of brutally. You understand? But so no matter how fancy a market present itself for you, is a setup. Is a setup. Don't go above what you suppose to lose. Don't go above what you suppose to risk per trade. That is just it. You understand? Stick to that particular amount. That is why I always preach about discipline. Discipline is the oga kpatakpata of them all, that is controlling everything in this particular industry called forex trading or any trading at all. Make research. Make research. Discipline. If you can be able to be disciplined, you will never now you will never go above what you suppose to reach per trade now. And you be very patient. Discipline yourself to be patient for your strategy to play out. Those are the phases that I dey now, where I dey now. Those are the phases I stand on. You understand? That is the reason why I always come here into, like, at least make you guys know me for imparting. Okay, Thor, don't support, no, make nobody even support me, but just keep liking my video, because a lot of people are going crazy every day and night, losing everything because of this forex of a thing, and they need a community like this that will be telling them the truth. Not somebody that have not even know his left from his right to be selling a course of 200,000 naira, 500,000 naira, 1 million per month. No now. No now. If you even face to face like this, all these people you are seeing that are selling courses, me, I swear to God, if you see them face to face, you like this that is just learning by fire by force, if you see those people that are selling course for you, say make una do quiz concerning forex trading, I swear to God, if the question is 10, you are going to win 4, they are going to win 6. Or maybe 50-50, you are going to win 5, they are going to win 5. And if care is not taken, you are going to win. You like this that is struggling, you are going to win 7, they are going to win 3. What I'm telling you guys, I've seen and unseen, bro. I need to be I need to be dropping picture on my YouTube channel. You understand? I suppose they post picture every time on my YouTube channel. Person like Smart Money Rich, I don meet am face to face, we don do peace. So person like Happiness Hansen, I dey always talk this thing, I don meet them like this, bro. I don meet them. That see, oh my God, you guys need to like meet some of these guys that you are seeing on the internet. thinking they know it pass you. They don't know anything pass you. All they know is how to talk. Ask them small question, they go fail woefully. Okay, shey na me come live like this, one on one, make you ask me any question. You understand? Ask me any question. Any question, no matter how hard the question is, ask me. Ask me, see, ask me question now like this. Just keep throwing question. If I cannot be able to answer that question, it's not by coming to drop video. No, no, no. In part in the life of struggling traders. You understand? Oh, photographics. Yeah, just coming. I see you, my brother. You're welcome. You're welcome. You're welcome. In part in the life of struggling traders, it's not by showing off. You understand? It's not by showing off. In part in the life of foreign traders. Mm. But people are very, very like, oh God. But I do not blame them. I do not blame them. I blame, I blame people who are perishing because of lack of knowledge. I blame people who have perished because of lack of knowledge. So please, I will beg you guys to make this channel big so that everything will be free. Once I can be able to be coming here and be making it free for you guys, just support me. Let the channel grow so that everything will be free. Just like and subscribe, like and subscribe. Then keep liking the video. If I start the channel, if I start to do video, keep liking the video so that YouTube will know that yes, there is a like there is something going on here. I swear, if you guys can do that, everything will be free. Because I know how tough, I know how like tough it is. But if I do not see a response, if I do not see any positive reaction from you guys, I'm going to, before I respond to your comments, before I respond to your message, you must pay for it next year. If I do not see like subscribers and the rest, um if I do not see subscriber, plenty shares and the rest, share my video to struggling traders, share my video to your status. Let people know that yes, somebody is here giving value. If my channel no grow till the end of this year, I'm going to monetize everything. I'm going to monetize everything. Giving one on one with you guys, with anybody, having phone call with anybody will be, you must drop something from my OP or to my wallet or to my USDT. If this channel no grow till this year end, everything is going to be monetized because the kind of value I'm giving here, even all these top traders will not give you that value. You understand? All these top traders that you see, they will not give you that value. They don't even have the value to give you. All they have is fancy cars and fancy this thing to deceive you guys, and those are the ones that you guys follow. But I don't blame you now. They want, that's what the community needs. So my brother, UD, no vex abeg. This risk management, I don't know if you understand what exactly I said about it, or please, if you understand exactly what I say about this particular risk management, please let me know. Please let me know if you understand what I say about this particular risk management. Yes, I understand. Okay, that's very great, my brother. That's very great. So I think I have less than 3 minutes now to spend. So if there is any question, just drop it on the comments. If there is any question, drop it on the comments. If there is any question, please drop it on the comments. If there is any question, drop it on the comments. You are welcome, my brother. You are welcome. You are highly, highly welcome, my brother. I really appreciate you. You are welcome. You are welcome. Ehen, make I no lie for you. I need to be, and this person no dey. This super thanks that you guys send, ba, I make research and is 35, is 35% that they used to carry from super thanks. Then ads, you understand, ads on this thing is 45. Is ads that is 45, but super thanks is 35. You understand, because me I think everything is, you understand, that 45 because of how I see it on the agreement and this thing that I signed. But super thanks is 35 and ads on this thing is 45. So make e no come be like say I dey lie for you guys. I want to be, I want to come clean and clear o, because let okay, no worry, it's still a lot. No, omo, e makes e still what do I have to do? It still makes sense. It still makes sense. Thank you so much. Like, I need to come clean. You understand? Because that day I said it's 45 that they are going to collect, but I, after the live, I said, super thanks on this. Let me make research. Then I make research and it's 35. So I have to clear it. I have to clear it. Good name is better than good. Oh. I want to, like, at least, yeah, let it not be as if uh, I'm lying. So any question? This is complete 2 hours straight. This completely 2 hours straight. So UD, my guy, I think I see you guys tomorrow by 8 p.m. You understand? I see you guys tomorrow by 8 p.m. So please come tomorrow. Then please, before you go, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Like the video, share it so that it will reach other people. Then subscribe to the channel so that the channel will grow. Then we'll grow together as well as one family, please. That one is a beg that I'm begging. So see you guys tomorrow by 8 p.m. Bring your question, let's solve it together. You understand? Free of charge. You get free of charge. So see you guys tomorrow. UD. See you tomorrow by 8 p.m. Taste of mystery did not come to this particular live this today. Almost. Oh my God. Oh yeah, now, oh yeah, now, oh yeah, now, oh yeah, now. So see you guys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. See you guys tomorrow. All right, all right, all right. That's very great. That's very great. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. So have a very great night. You understand? Then discipline control everything. Please be very, very disciplined and follow your rules all the time. Thank you, and I see you tomorrow.